Do you use contact form 7 for your contact form and you're not getting the emails? The issue could be that your from email address is actually the user's email address, meaning that your site is attempting to spoof the user's email address when sending it to your inbox to let you know of the contact form. Now, the way to fix this is to use a reply to in the additional headers field. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's dive in. Now you can see here, I'm already on contact form 7, and there's an issue that pops up here. Sender email address does not belong to this site domain. The issue here is that you're sending emails from the user from your contact form to your inbox using their email address. So if they're andy@gmail.com, the from email address will say andy@gmail.com. Now this becomes an issue because technically you're trying to spoof that user's email address and likely it will not get delivered into your inbox. Now the way to fix this is to use an email address from your site. So for example, we can erase this and you can do something like WordPress@yourdomain.com. So I'm just going to do example.com. You want it to match your domain exactly so that it'll actually improve deliverability when you're getting the contact form requests. Now, the issue comes in here is when you get the contact form request, now when you hit reply in Gmail, it's actually going to reply to WordPress@example.com. Now, the way around this is to use a reply to header in the additional headers field. Now, if you scroll down, you can see additional headers here, and this is done by typing reply-to capitalized, colon, and then the user's email address. So you can see we have the different fields up here. Our field is called your email. So we're going to copy that one. And just like that, when you get an email now, it'll come from WordPress at your site. But when you reply, hit that reply button in your email, it'll actually reply to the user's email. You can even include the user's name if you'd like by using the your name field, as I'm going to copy here. And you can put that first, hit a space, and then add this around like that. And you can see that is the full thing you need to do to add a reply to in contact form 7. Now, of course, you can go up here and hit save, and now your contact form will work as you expect. Now, there could be some other issues that are causing emails not to work on your site, like you don't have an email server set up on your site or something like that. Definitely reach out to your WordPress host if you're having that kind of issue. But I've noticed that this is a big issue for some people, so I thought I'd make a quick video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. See ya.